What's the meaning of blue pages? Blue pages. Blue pages.
Blue pages. Blue pages. Blue pages typically refer to a portion of a technical manual or reference guide that contains information related to a specific topic. The term originated from IBM, where their technical manuals had blue-colored pages for this purpose. These pages often contain troubleshooting tips, diagrams, and other important information that can help users resolve issues with their products. In some industries, such as telecommunications, blue pages may refer to a directory of important contacts or emergency procedures. The importance of blue pages cannot be overstated, as they provide critical information that can save time and prevent costly mistakes in various industries.